So that's Gloria Maris. It's a restaurant. So we're still here in the PICC compound. Or CCP complex, as some would rather prefer, I don't know. But I got used to calling it a PICC compound. So we were on the other side earlier. Okay, so we're gonna take pictures. There's something interesting with this little or small pool here. There are big fishes inside, but I'll take more videos. Close a shot of it later. I'll just take a picture of my mom first. 1, 2. Picture. Aeroplano, malamang.
Si Benj, laki na ka-Benj dito. Wag ka itopi, ang kulit naman niya. Ayaw naman humarap sa camera eh.
There they are. They're all hiding under the bridge.
Benj! Ayan, sama-sama naman yung topi na to eh. Ayaw naman humarap. Oh! Mami ka na! Explain ka na naman. Oh. Dali! O, palamuyin mo na yan dyan, si Ben.
May kuha kayo na kayo ko rito.
Bakit naman?
Yung aso, ginagawa nyo, isa. Alam. Si Mat naman, nakaganod.
Ano naman yung mic?
Ha? Yeah.
Manang. Manang.
May basura. Sino nagtapon nun, no? Ano ba
Kaya
yan?
may basura, yung mga bata.
Ano, kainin nila yun, mamatay pa sila.
Kuha.
Kuha na kayo doon. Kaya kayo.
There they are. The closer shot of the fishes inside a man-made small pool here. So I think those are some of the fishes that they cook inside Gloria Maris restaurant. I'm guessing. Yeah, that's probably one of their menus
Sa lapag.
for that restaurant, Gloria Maris.
Text na to, ha?
Wala eh, ayaw naman. O, ayan.
Diba mga tanggal?
Yan, upo. O, akbay, hindi, akbay.
Bye. Sino ka, boy? Diba sa baba?
Ano daw, Mi? Ayun na, may sinasabi.
Kaya nga.
Ang bibigat nyo. Yan, okay. Ang bigat nyo.
Okay, so the guard was telling us to be careful with the bridge railings because it's wood. You know, if you sit on it, it might break. Okay, so they're being just overprotective, obviously, with their property. Well, I'll take more videos later, I guess. We're going back to the car now and eat breakfast somewhere out there. Probably McDonald's. Bye, guys.